Hmm.
So we'll start with that. The first question I would like to ask you is, uh, as you're the part of the initial year, or like the charter year, you're the part of the that year. How it helped
Hmm.
you to go ahead with the whole like upcoming इतने साल में तुझे अब like कैसे help हुआ that you need to continue with those years?
How it helped me?
Yeah, it's like yeah, you were the part of the
Yeah,
chartered
I was the part
charter.
of the charter team.
Yeah.
Like I
And what
was.
inspired you for the for having this team like for the chartered, being the part of a chartered? Yeah.
Actually, our charter president Jamin, he and he invited me to join Rotaract. So, then we all together, 5 to 6 people, we together started the club. So I was in the charter core team as well.
Okay.
So yeah, the main motive to join Rotaract was to uh, improve my communication skills and socializing. Main motive was that, and I was keen to do some community service as well. So that was my motive to join Rotaract.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, as you told me that your motive was the to like develop your personality first as in preference. So,
Yeah.
how did these members help you yet, or pushed you for this position as in president position?
For the president position.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, I became the president on 5th year of this club. So till that, I was not sure that I can become a president. So after many projects and conducting many projects and other stuff, so I they made me like ready to lead the club. My past presidents Jamin, Siddhant, Kapil, Rahul, they helped me a lot, and they trained me to become the president.
Okay. So, what all hurdles and obstacles did you face in your after being like president elect, after you were selected as a president elect? What have you
Yeah,
decided, and what all hurdles and obstacles did you face in the whole year?
obstacles I faced was I think there were not much participations. There was that time members were very few, not like this year.
Okay.
So membership was a hurdle, and uh, I don't think there were many hurdles that time.
Okay. No, it's like all about the your
Yeah.
projects also, including your projects. I'm talking about including your projects, and like what all projects you faced, like felt as in hurdle. There is something or the other missing over here. You faced it.
In my projects, yeah, the main hurdle was lack of membership, because that time many there were in my club, in my year there were many college going members, and due to their exams and other stuff, they were not able to participate that much, and uh, but still we managed to do some projects. Uh, so yeah.
Okay. Accordingly, I would just like to ask you that what was your year's project? It is like basically I would like to say कि तेरे टाइम में ऐसा कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट था कि वो फर्स्ट एवर टाइम कंडक्ट किया गया हो एंड इट हाउ डिड इट इम्पैक्ट ऑन द मेंबर्स? Actually, we all
थोड़ा
almost
सोचना
have
पड़ेगा.
every year we have that कि अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स कंडक्ट किए गए हैं which is like first ever time हुआ है. So accordingly for you, how it was?
I don't remember actually now because already कितना 2 साल हो गए.
Okay.
But there were new projects conducted. But the projects which were like flagship projects, they like Happy Box and
Helping Hand.
Annadan, they were conducted in a much more bigger scale. We had some sponsors, so yeah.
Okay, that's good. So as you know that you when you get to know that you are the president elect, what was your feelings and your thoughts about it?
I was nervous actually because I never experienced such a thing before at the start, and but my past presidents and members they helped me a lot during the year, so it was nice.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Very well. And how did you motivated your members to conduct the project? Because since as you told that there are the hurdles and for the members, less members, and you
Okay.
told that you had a very good year, like having a great project. So how did you motivate it for this thing?
It's like it's like what's on your mind. You have to share with your members, like what's your aims of the year and what all projects you're planned and what impact those projects will make on them as well as the community. So if you tell them, you tell your members, and I hope they will get motivated.
Okay, so according to you, share your ideas and plan with your members, that motivates the members.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, and
Okay.
how it can impact themselves as well as the community.
Okay.
So I think that motivates the members.
Okay, so that technique as you used it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice. So as we know that Helping Hand is our flagship project, and we have more flagship projects in our group, in our club. So
Yeah.
why it is different from other project as you are the part of the charter year? Why it is different according to you? Why it is different from other projects? Since Helping Hand is almost similar to Annadan, almost similar I can say, but why it is different?
Because it is the project is done on the Diwali, and it's like from the first year we donated food grains to different NGOs and institutions. So we get many donations during the Diwali. Uh, so in Annadan we donate uh, food to the, but it's in Annadan, it's on a smaller scale and helping, and we almost try to donate 1,000 kgs of
Okay.
food
Okay.
grains every year. So it becomes a bigger project.
Okay.
So we do it every year, and it benefits the NGOs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it's like a small, not fun actually, not completely fun, but small segment type of thing I would like to share it. I would say one word or one particular thing, and that who fits for you. It's like I'm talking about the first impression. So let me know all your first impression about all the other presidents.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is. Let's start with
And
Jamin.
it is recorded as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So let's start with Jamin only, our charter president.
My first impression
For Jamin. Yeah.
for Jamin. He's like, I can say him, he's motivating
Okay.
because he was the charter president, and the way he motivates the everyone, I don't think anyone else does.
Okay. The second one, Siddhant. Retractor Siddhant.
Uh, I think he's hardworking because in his year he had to do a lot of hard work because we were short of members and active members, and he had to do a lot of things. So I think Siddhant is hardworking.
So let's talk about the third president, Retractor Rahul. I can understand, but this is sort of a fun thing. It is like, what do you think about your past presidents? This is what the question I would like to.
Okay. Rahul Rahul was good at he's a, I think he's good in leadership because the way he leads the club, uh, that was really good. So I can give him a nickname like leader.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other, he's the retractor Kapil Joshi, the fourth president of our club.
Okay. Retractor Kapil, I can say him, he's full of new ideas because he had many ideas and projects in his mind, uh, which were very impactful. So I can call him that.
Okay. Now, as you were the fifth and the sixth, let's talk about the Arsh, the tractor
Okay.
Arsh.
Arsh. I can tell him.
Ishan.
Yeah, hello. Sorry.
Yes.
He's a very calm president because you also know you were also in his year.
Yeah. Right. Right. Okay. And our current president, Smriti, what are you want to tell about her first impression?
Smriti, since he's the first female president, I can give her a nickname like Boss Lady.
Okay. I hope Smriti, she
Yeah.
may be hearing it if she's present over here. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
The most entertaining person in the club, whom do you feel this and why?
Most entertaining person.
Yeah, as you have gave everyone like leadership, as you have gave the motivation, boss lady. So according to you, who is the
Yeah.
most entertaining person?
I guess it's your current year HRD, Divya.
Okay.
I guess the members will uh,
Maybe.
approve that.
Okay. So, but what is the reason? It's like anything you would like to share about the funny moment of Divya, the actor Divya with at club?
There are many. How can I like?
Even our members also feel he is the most entertaining person.
I hope they have experience. See, even Janki is telling that I also
Yeah.
feel that.
Yes, yes. Okay, fine. Let's go for the next one. So, best club service or community service project of your year? You feel it as
Best community service project.
community or club, as you wish. But maybe it would be.
I think Helping Hand was my best community service project, and club service I don't remember as such, because our every club service project is best, I guess.
Okay. Okay.
Every year. Yeah.
That's nice. One thing that made you connected with this club, as you are far away, but then too you are connected with the club. So one thing which you
Connects me with the club.
yeah, with RCMH club.
Yeah. One thing that connects me with the club, that I had made many friends in during my time in this club. So still I'm connected. I'm not in India. Still I'm connected to the club, and that is the reason that I have made many friends, good friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the last question will be ending from my side. The question that is,
Okay.
what are your expectations with the future president?
My expectations for future presidents.
It is like
Maybe,
you may be thinking that this should be done by the further year. So accordingly, what you wanted.
Maybe try to engage more people in your club, like more members in the projects,
Okay.
as well as bring some innovative ideas. Ask every member, and every member should bring some innovative ideas for the projects, as well as and work in unity as a whole club.
Okay.
Yeah.
I